In this Surfer SEO review, we will explore how it can help you dominate. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. So talking about the Surfer SEO, it's like having an SEO expert by your side 24/7. These tools use it Surfer SEO SEP Analyzer and Surfer SEO AI to help you write content that rank higher on Google. It analyzes the top performing page for your target words and gives you data-driven suggestions to improve your writing. Think of it as your secret weapon for conquering Google. And here's the key top benefit of this AI website, which is it has an improved search ranging. By optimizing your content with the Surfer SEO, you increase your chance of ranking high in search results. This means many more people will find your website organically and also increase your organic traffic, and also enhance your content quality. With SEO helps you create a high quality, informative and engaging content that satisfies user intent and search engines algorithm. It also helps you save time and effort. So if that's what you want, it's also part of your advantages, and also has a data driven decision that helps you provide with the value data and insight to make informed decisions about your content strategy, and this takes the guesswork out of the SEO and help you achieve better result. And that's it. So talking about the best features about this platform, which is comes with a zip analyzers with a content editor, and also comes with a keyword search, which help you search for uncover value keywords with relevant words suggestions such as volume data and word difficulty scores. And it also comes with a glow flow, which help you guide the glow flows with your guiding light. And also comes with a Google Doc integration, which help you with your integrations on game changers and your Google Doc integration. Talking about the pricing list, they have a wide range of pricing lists, starting from the essential plan down to the scale plan and the enterprises plan. So if you want more about this plan, you can simply refer to their website to get more about it. And talking about the pros and cons, it comes with a powerful content optimization, excellent for competitors analysis, intuitive interface with time saving and keyword soft extension. And talking about the downside, it is occasionally glitch, limited keyword search depth, some features feels unfinished and some features feels complex. And that's it. Let me know more in the comment section what you think about this AI website.